Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, with a huge thanks to Aston Martin Boston, we have the 2026 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster. 650 horsepower from a twin turbo V8 under the hood. Malachite green, I want to say, over Oxford tan. Huge upgrade in the interior compared to the previous cars. Oh my god, just the emotion I've gotten while driving this car is next level. Green contrast stitching, carbon, oh that's low, carbon fiber throughout. Hello baby. Threw me for a loop. This is your drive mode, so you have a couple different ones: wet, individual, sport, sport plus, track. We're gonna do sport plus. I don't need track. I heard someone. ZF 8-speed automatic. Been a few years since I've been behind the wheel of one of these and in this area. And luckily for me, they've repaved all the roads that I used to frequent. The thing I love about Aston Martin is, especially these new cars, have crazy...
Unfortunately, I can't help you with that.
So it does that, I guess. I guess it has the, hey, you say the brand, and it pops up with an assistant. Okay, duly noted. The thing with these cars is they have the performance of some really high-end cars, and they are really high-end cars. But what these, I can't say the brand, what these cars do so well is be comfortable to drive around town. You feel like a hero driving these cars. And I've gotten that with every single Aston I've driven. I mean, I'm not in manual mode. I'm not in the full-blown track mode and everything. And I'm just cruising. And it works so well. Go into full-blown track. Go into manual. Big chunky paddle shifters behind the wheel. I love this interior. Oh, it's such a huge step. I thought the 2019 Vantage and the 2020, the first iteration of these, was a huge step, and it was. This is just unbelievable. Oh, you're a good car, aren't you? I do like that. So if you want burbles, you just start downshifting until you're at a higher rev range, and it'll do some snaps. But at lower reverence, you're not annoying everybody with burbles. I get it. It's been a few years since I've been in an Aston Martin at this intersection. Oh my God, cancel. Yeah, I know you could shut that off. I'm not gonna dig through settings on a car that's not mine. Can't see. We're good. Wow. That's quick. Very nimble platform. Alright, you guys, huge shout out to Aston Martin Boston for providing this car for me. This is amazing. This is phenomenal. This is frankly something very, very special. And they've done a killer job with this car. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.